Click from there and join. Mail only, no? Yes, yes. Join. No.
All right, I think we're good to begin. This is almost the starting time. The first thing I will do is I'll share my screen and I'll show you one URL. This URL will give you access to a text file which will have all the URL that are needed. So let me know once I'm sharing my screen, once the screen is visible. All right. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
All right. Since you do not have chat conversation window, please go ahead and access that URL. This right over here. You need
Hello,
to type.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I join from browser?
You can join from browser, no issues.
Okay, sir. I'm just leaving this call and join from browser.
Okay. Or meanwhile, others, please go ahead and use this link. This will give you access to student files. Student file has a lot of things such as, this particular notepad where you will find your URL.
Sir, can you type it in chat box or we will write down it?
I thought you don't have access to chat box, right?
We got that.
So if you have that access, then take the direct URL for it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you share that again?
Yeah, share that URL on the chat.
Yes. Sir, we have to download the students files. Or...
Don't download. Wait, hang on. So I think you should have access to this particular student file, right? Folder where you would see important links and Power Apps onboarding.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So open important link. You will have access to. I have provided certain links over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll say that do not download it because this file will keep on updating. So you can access them on browser. Okay. Without wasting time, let's go ahead with the first thing that we have. We were making trial account yesterday to have access to Microsoft Power Platform. So the URL which is on the 9th line, this is URL for Office 365. Open an in private window and load this URL, which should take you to a certain page which would look like this. If it will ask you to switch your countries, do not switch it. Let that be United States. And let me know once you are at this particular page.
Sir, from the Chrome or Microsoft Edge?
Microsoft Edge in private window.
Okay.
Sir, hello. Hello. Can I access it from Google Chrome?
Use Microsoft Edge because Power Apps is more compatible in Edge. In Chrome, you are supposed to have some problems. You can use it on Chrome, that's not a problem. But I prefer that you use Microsoft Edge.
Okay, sir.
Is showing switch to India language, India English or United Network?
If it is going to India, then make sure this URL right over here, right? And the URL, you see en-us. That's the URL for it. You can change it. Are you guys using single screen or do you have dual monitors at your end? Okay.
Where is the
Are you guys on this particular screen?
Okay,
Everyone?
sir. Yes, yes.
All right. Click on free trial.
1 second, sir. Mohammed is not getting that screen.
Sure. No issues.
That's into free trial.
Once you are at the screen, go ahead and click on free trial. Once you click on free trial, you would see something like this.
It has email.
Yes. So use your personal email address. Do not use your official email address. Use your personal email address to configure an account.
Sir, today we got our office mail. Can we do that?
Sorry?
Today we got our office mail. Can we?
No. Don't use your official email address. Use your personal email address. You are making an account for yourself, for your own organization, not for the office that you belong to. Everyone will have an organization account, which is an E5 trial account. Okay, so you both or you three are yourself an organization.
Is there any issue after the trial from our personal mail?
No, not at all, because this trial will be active for 30 days. Within this 30 days, you could practice Power Apps using this account. And once 30 days are over, you can terminate this account. There will be no issues. So use your personal email address, click on next, then it will ask you to set up an account. Go ahead with selecting setup account and have these details filled up. Let the region and country be always United States.
Let's set up account.
Yes, setup account. Please provide an active phone number because it will send you an activation code. Choose your own company name.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yes.
Sir, why you use this link in the incognito mode?
Because I think you're using your corporate machine, right?
No, sir.
is it any which way? If you have your personal machine or corporate machine, it would have your corporate email address logged in, right? So we don't want your corporate email address to be used. That's why we are using in private mode. What is in private mode? It does let you use your own account. It doesn't take cache information. So all those browser details such as saving information doesn't work on in private mode. So that's why we are using it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Once you're done with fill up this information, move to the next stage. At next stage, you would need to verify your phone number. So do go ahead with India on this particular page. And verification code. Let's do it a little fast and complete this exercise quickly so that we have all your account. Verify it. The next stage would be for password.
Country code should be changed.
And create your account. It will take a while to create your account, and at the end you will get the last screen, which is would be your details that you would use. So at the end, at the last stage, you should all be at this particular screen where it will say username and the confirmation email.
Yes, sir. I'm getting that. How you will sign in? Then your account is successfully created. Please sign in. Then continue.
Yes, continue.
Then
From country code, it will
one
come
another.
India.
Yeah, at country codes page, you have to enter India.
It's not coming. +91. I can manually
+91, yes.
enter.
Yes, sir. Another window is open. Where it is saying just stay signed in. Yes, no.
Yes, yes. Go ahead with that. Continue.
There one password. You can.
All right, everyone, are you on the screen? Do you get this confirmation details?
Sir, for password, our own password.
It's a new password that you will set.
Stay.
Who is left? Who doesn't see the confirmation email window? Abhishek, do you see this window at your end?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about Rifakat?
Yes,
Yes, sir. I can see.
Chandan?
Mine is just.
Okay, no worries. We'll wait. No worries. Come to this window.
Just moving that circle. So get started. Confirmation details coming.
Okay, everyone, please save this information with you on a notepad somewhere, where you can access this every day. You can also take screenshot of this particular window so that this is available to you. So please keep this information safe with you. The very important thing is the username. This is the email address we all will be using to log into Power Apps. So admin at powerpcf.onmicrosoft.com. This is mine. You would also have your own at your end. So keep that information ready at your end. Keep that handy. Save it somewhere. As soon as everyone you get this window, click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it would open a new tab. Okay.
Yes,
And
Yes.
get started.
an Office 365 window such that thank you for choosing Microsoft 365. It will start setting up your things. At this window, you don't need to do anything, right? You don't need to set up anything. At the last right bottom corner, you would see exit step option. I hope you can see it on my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Exit setup option. Go ahead and click on that. exit setup, give any reason, and send an exit. And you should be at this particular screen, which is known as Microsoft 365 Admin Center.
Yes, sir.
Everyone here?
Microsoft Admin Center.
If you're getting the setup screen, you can exit setup screen on the right bottom corner. You would have an exit setup button. Exit those setup and you should be here, right over here.
Yes.
On this particular screen. Okay.
After that, what I will do?
Yeah. So you all received today your official email address, right? So you in your office, what would have been done is they would have come here, went to Office 365 Admin Center, and in active user, they would have created your account. So when I go to users, I click on active users, I do see my account right over here, which is Vibhor Sharma. Okay, this is the first user that is belong to your tenant. Every organization will have an E5 account, and this is where your all user would belong to. Now click on your name. So click on the first user, which will open up a right panel, similar to something that you're looking right now. Right? And under licenses and apps, take a look at what are the things that you have, such as Exchange Online, Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. You also have Microsoft Teams, Office for the web, SharePoint Plan 2. You have Power Apps for Office 365 Plan 3, which means you have access to Power Apps. And if you see, you have lot number of services. You also have Power Virtual Agent for Office 365, Power Automate for Office 365. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which means this Office 365 give you access to Power App licenses. Now understand the concept of licensing first. So when it comes to Power Apps, all right, and when it comes to the concept of Power App, I hope my screen is visible. I'm opening a whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. When it comes to Power App, you must understand that there are different types of licensing that exist in Power Apps. So let's just say that you're looking for Power Apps and the Power Apps license part, right? Now you did create an Office 365 account. What is that license plan? That is Plan 3. So there is one license that comes up with Plan 3. This comes with Office 365, right? This is known as Plan 3, which gives you Power App per app plan.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. There is no sound.
There is no.
No, your sound is not coming. So.
Okay. Now the second thing is Power App also has two different plans, which means when you go ahead and purchase Power App individually, you are not purchasing this with Office 365. You are purchasing them individually. So when you purchase them individually, you have two plans. One of them is known as per app plan, and other one is known as per user plan. Okay, we will also see them. The difference between these two plans is that per user plan will give you access to Dataverse. What is Dataverse?
This is the database.
Database. So yes, now with Office 365, what plan do you have? You have per app plan, right? So you could see, right? The same plan which comes in standalone is available in per app plan. This is the same plan which comes with Office 365. But when you want to do this individually, these are the things. So that's why you can verify what type of plan you have. So you can go here, Vibhor Sharma, and you would see that in licenses and apps section, you do have that plan. Now let us move to Power Apps. How will we move to Power Apps? We will click on launcher icon, right? And we will go to all apps here. Look for Power Apps. Open them on a new web page. So Power App will start loading up. Okay, once it loads up, you would see something like this. Let me go there. Okay, right over here. Make.powerapps.com. All right, so you would see something like this at your end. This is Power App. Yeah.
It's showing contact information provided. Provide your information.
You can cross that out. You can cross that out.
Sir, mine case 24 licenses are available, and after that, what I have to do?
I just missed the flow.
Oh, you need to go to Power Apps. So go to App Launcher and go to Power Apps. On the left upper corner, you will click on App Launcher icon and click on Power Apps. So you would come right over here.
New window.
Okay, everyone here on this particular page?
Yes, sir.
All right, go to Dataverse, click on Tables. Do you see these tables at your end?
No, sir, it's showing that create tables, create a database.
Right, create tables. So click on Dataverse and all. Yeah, click on create tables. and proceed with creating those tables.
Sir, it's showing that new database, currency, XDR, language English.
Yeah, go ahead with that. Go ahead with that. Go with default settings.
Yeah, it's showing no tables available yet. Building your database.
All right, perfect. Have you all created those tables? Anyone left behind?
Sir, something is coming. Contact info. You have to close that.
What is coming? Share your screen, one of you.
No database. Create database.
Create database, proceed with that. It will start creating databases.
Yeah, it's showing this.
Currency.
Language.
So data words, tables.
Create database. There currency and language.
Yeah, no problem. Proceed with that.
Yes, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yes, no problem. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. The tables will be created in a while. You can refresh it and tables would come up.
Can I refresh now?
Okay. I'm going to share my screen now. So what is our agenda for today? What are we learning? We do have access to Power Apps now. Now, according to this particular document, you will have this document on the same place. So over here, where I gave you those links, right? In OneDrive, in student files, you will find those documents as well. This document is for all of the topics that we are going to cover up. Yesterday, we learned about components of Microsoft Power Platform. We learned components and features of Microsoft Power Platform. Today, we acquired our Microsoft Power Platform Tenant license, right? Next, we will go ahead and upgrade the trial tenant of Power App license. So we would go ahead and also add Plan 2 to our licenses. Right? How would you add or how would you upgrade your licenses? For that, you must first understand the licensing part of it. So now that we have learned the licensing part of our automate, which is right over here, right? In the whiteboard, we understand that we have Office 365 license, which is with plan 3. We will also acquire per user plan. The per user plan will give you access to Dataverse, and it will also let you create environments. What are these environments? So on your Power Apps homepage, if you click on if you see on the right upper corner, you would see an environment name, which is the default environment that you are in. Right? If you click on that, you would see that there are 3 environments. For me, there are 3. For you only, there would be 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now, how are these environment maintained? So there is an admin center which maintains all of these things. So just like we had Microsoft 365 admin center, we do have Power Apps admin center. So in setting option right over here on the corner, you can click on admin center and open it on a new tab. It would be forwarded to Power Platform Admin Center. right? Over here in environments,
This is
you
just
will
loading
see
that.
no worries.
From admin center, it's showing.
If there is any pop-up, you can cross that out. Click on environments. You would see only one environment right over there, which is the default environment.
Yes, sir.
Right? Try creating a new environment. For creating a new environment, you will click on new. Give the environment name as trial environment. Let the region be United States. Let the type be trial. Okay. Last setting is create a database for this environment. Do create that database. So toggle that switch to yes.
Okay, sir.
Click on next. Let all other things be by default. If you have deploy sample apps data, you can go ahead and click on yes. If it is grayed out, no problem. Just
Sir, what
save
is
that.
the mean? Sir, deploy sample apps and data means?
Some certain sample apps, which are model driven apps and canvas app, will be available on your environment.
Okay, sir. But
Which
now
are
here but here
yeah, it is
also
grayed out, no problem. If it is grayed out, no problem.
okay.
No problem. I think with the new version, it has been grayed out. Save your environment. Click on the save button.
So can you please scroll up that bar? Here our name asks.
Yeah, name trial environment, region United States, type is trial. There are two trial, okay, subscription based and trial, we want trial. So select the
Sir,
trial.
sir is showing the license assigned to the user do not allow creation of a new trial
That's right.
environment.
That is something that you should get. So everyone should get an error, which is license assigned to the user does not allow. Why is it not allowing you to create it? Because you have this license, right? You have this license with you and you need this license to create environments. So now you got to understand why did I do this exercise is to make you understand what you can achieve through those licenses and what you can't. So the second thing that we would do is we will go ahead and have an extra license assigned to us, right? What are these licenses? So let me go here. Let me go to Power App Pricing. Perfect. Let's go to this particular page, which is Power App Pricing. Here you will have both of these plans, the per app plan and per user plan. Right?
Okay.
We will acquire the per user plan. Now, for acquiring per user plan, all right, we will sign into Power App. So go ahead and
Sir,
go ahead with that.
do it in the incognito mode or that normal browser?
We will do it in the incognito mode itself. Let me share a URL with you. Just a moment. Okay, use this URL. I'm going to share this with you all. And I'm going to also add this to our file here. The URL that I have sent you on the incognito mode. Okay, so I hope you will all be here at this particular screen, which will show this particular information, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Click on start 3.
Good, sir.
I have shared this URL on the chat.
Chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I shared this URL on the chat. Once you are here, open it in the same tab where you have your trial account. Open it on the same window and click on start free. If it asks you to use user ID, use the user ID that we just created, which is powerwibo.onmicrosoft.com. For me, for you, that would be.
Then, sir, continue.
And continue, get started. Yes. Right. This will take you back to this particular window.
I'm just lagging. Mr. Pro. I have just Mr. Pro. On the Microsoft screen, I have there. After that, say start free.
I don't know. I mean, I didn't understand that.
Okay, okay.
Say that again. Is there an issue that you're facing? Please let me know. On this screen, you have to click on Start Free. Once you click on Start Free, you have to go here. Now go back to Admin Center, those who have those, and start creating environment again. Go back to Admin Center, click on New, and create a new environment. Remember, you have to create database for this environment. Trial, you can give the name as trial, and the type should always be trial account. And create the one.
Yeah, it's showing same error.
Did you not click on Start Free here?
Yes, sir.
Start Free.
Yes, sir. I'm clicking that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm just again doing that.
From the admin center doing the same thing.
It is showing you the same thing. Share your screen. Those who are receiving error, please share your screen.
Yes, sir. New environment is created for me.
Okay. New environment. We should have at least 2 environments. Everyone here should have 2 environments at their end.
So here also name is trial environment or production.
Trial, production, anything would work. It doesn't matter. But the type should be trial.
Type. This is an error is
Yeah, those who are receiving error, share your screen.
I'm saying.
Did you start free? And when you went to that page, did you click on start free?
Yes.
Click cancel, go back to that page. Yeah, click on start free.
Start free.
Yes. Go ahead with environments. Trial. Select type as trial. Type.
What's the type is trial?
Yeah, type is trial. The last one. Create database. Next. Save. Okay, so that is creating.
That type I missed.
Yeah. So Abhishek and Mohammed Rifakat, you should also have those environment. Everyone should have the two environment at their end.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since everyone has those two environments, we also have almost like 7 minutes left. So do one thing. Let's try a few of the applications that are there. So go back to Power Apps.
Okay.
Right. Go to Apps section or Create section.
The create.
Yeah, make sure your environment is default environment. From here, you can click on, you will see both of these environments. Click on, let that be default.
Okay, sir.
And scroll down, you would see certain templates. This is in the Create tab. Okay. So you would see these templates over here, these application. Do you all see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Templates are there.
Perfect. Let's try one of the application, which is cost estimator. So click on cost estimator, this one. And click on preview. So right over here, click on preview. This will open up on a new tab and this will give you, it will ask you for your camera permission. Go ahead with that, allow it. You can also choose to not allow. And
is it mandatory to click allow or
no,
can't?
no, I think I'm not sure because it doesn't matter if you click on allow or don't allow. It should able to access you this particular. So everyone should see this particular screen. Right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. This is an application. This is a template that is available for you. We are exploring this template because this is how your application would also be look like. So you can see this is a phone layout, which means it will look very appropriate on phone. This is a cost estimator application. Click on the plus icon right over here. It will take you to this page. You can give any information here for now. Okay, I'm going with random information. You can also enter random information right over there. Once you have filled up those information, click on Save Job. When you save job, you will see your record. You will be back to the screen 1, and you will see your record right over here. Okay. Once you have that record, do you see this record at your end? The one that you created?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead with that record. You would see a button known as begin estimate. So where did I click? I clicked on that record. It will go to begin estimate. Click on begin estimate. So this is an application that gives an estimate about drawing room or any room that anyone want to decorate. I'm going to provide that length. It will give those informations as well. Perfect. Then you can choose the flooring style. So you can explore this app. Okay, you don't need to follow me. You can explore this app by your own, anything that you wanted to choose. Once you are done with this, do click on review estimate. At the bottom, you can give your signature here. And you can submit this estimate.
Sir, in the select flooring style, what to do? Means,
oh, you can choose any. For now, it doesn't matter. We are only exploring app.
okay, sir.
You can choose any.
Then, sir, review estimate. Sir, after review estimate, then submit the estimate.
Yeah, you can submit that estimate. It will give you a pop-up for choosing an email client.
Yes, sir.
Don't go ahead with that. You can cross that.
It's showing that how do you want to open this? It's mail out.
Yeah, you can cross that. It's just that, what we should understand by this practice is that our application has lot of screens. Like if you click on plus, it takes you to this screen and you can fill information here.
Okay,
right? You can go back. You can also review estimate for each of them, begin estimate and choose what estimation you have to give. As you write length and width on this section, it gives you the square footage. So the overall, thing for this exercise is that these are all the aspects that you can do with applications. You can include cameras, you can include pictures, images. And in our upcoming training, we are going to see how do you configure this application? How do you develop this application?
okay, sir.
Remember, there are a lot of screens. This is screen, other screen. This is one of the screen. This is also a screen right over here.
Yes, sir.
It's a very good application. In your time, you can try out other templates as well. Let me know any questions, any queries that you have for now.
We can use any template, sir, in that
Yeah,
Power Apps.
and right now you can try any of the templates. Any questions, any queries?
Sir, in further training, we have to train that how these templates are creating.
Not the template itself, but for sure how these applications are created. So on the student file, the URL that I have shared, you can see agenda for day 3, day 4, day 5, which are our upcoming agendas.
Okay, sir.
Right? We try one of the application which was Canvas app, but you will see model driven apps are also available. So let's start slowly and also understand the concepts of it. We have 1 hour session every day. The next session that we have tomorrow, remember guys, it's for 5:30. Tomorrow we have session at 5:30.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you find today's session useful. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. Good night, Rifagat, Jandan, and Abhishek.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye.